Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to merge two tables in WPS Office. If you would like to join one table to another one, first we need to create two tables. We need to go to Insert tab, then we need to click on Table, and here for example I will create a table with 2 rows and 2 columns. I click here to create it and I type here the data, for example A, I click here B, then here maybe C, and here maybe D. Now I click outside the table, I go to Table, and I creating another one table with 2 rows and 2 columns. I type here E, here F, G, and here H. Okay, now if I would like to join this table to this one table, I need to click on the last row of the first table, then I need to click Insert, and I need to click Insert Rows Below. Then I select all this table, I click right mouse button on the second table, and I select this one option, Cut. Then I click inside the created row, I click right mouse button here, and I click Paste. Then second table will be successfully joined to first table. So it is how it works if I helped you to merge tables in WPS Office. Remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solved the problem.